Before you take the hinge down, mark the position with tape so it will be easier to put it on the right spot. Use a drill depth stop or try this trick with a rubber band if you don't have one at hand. Use the drill bit of the same size as the wooden dowel, but be careful so you don't drill through the board. Take your wood glue, it will write on it for how long you need to let it dry before you can work again. You can mark where you need to put the glue. And spread it all around on all sides. Tap the dowel into place, but also be careful not to hit it too hard so it won't break through. And wait for at least 12 hours for it to dry. Put the tape all around so you don't damage the surface. And saw it off carefully. Only use a saw that has straight teeth so they don't go in two directions as many wooden saws have. It looks good now, it has little bumps but that won't be seen when I put the hinge on. Put the hinge where it was and mark the dots. If you didn't mark where the hinges should be, then it is more important to put it on the correct height. The depth can be adjusted later. Use a sharp tool to make a small hole so it will be easier to drill. Take the drill bit 2 mm smaller than your screw and check the length of the screw. And carefully drill a hole. Place the hinge and tighten it. It turned out the hinge on the door was also broken, so I had to put a new one, but it still fit in the same holes. So when you add the doors, take a piece of wood around 2 mm to make a gap. Press the hinge on the board so there is no space between. And tighten the screw. Check on the downside if you pressed it evenly. It fits perfectly now.